Hey there, adventurers! Today we're here at Hollywood Studios, since today I'm going to be taking the Skyliner from Hollywood Studios to EPCOT. So with that said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. When it comes to the Skyliner, this is actually a mode of transportation you can take from and to Hollywood Studios and also EPCOT. On top of that, there's also resorts connected with the Skyliner, such as Art of Animation, Pop Century. If you want to know the times, it looks like this first opens at 7:30 a.m. to around 10:30 to 11. And it looks like we're stopping by Caribbean Beach Resort first. Now inside. Oh. Closing now. On our way to Caribbean Beach Resorts.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to EPCOT International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye! In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
What I really love about the Skyliner is all of the designs that the Skyliner has, because, for example, just coming up, there is a design of all the Seven Dwarfs with Snow White. And on top of that, you also get some incredible views of Walt Disney World.
Did you know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
Even then, it's a nice ride going between parks and to resorts, and inside it's nice and cozy, although it's definitely intimidating, especially when I went on the first time, I will admit. But now, very soon, we should be approaching Caribbean Beach Resort.
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly.
Yeah.
All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
What I love too is that you can even see some of the hotels beyond, especially with Fun Spot and then Gaylord Palms.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Once you're outside, there's all sorts of posters, especially for Disney Cruise Line. There's also some for Disney Vacation Club, Riviera. And then eventually, we'll have to actually make our choice. Now it looks like we have a few destinations we can go to. For example, we can head over to Art of Animation and Pop Century Resort. Looks like there's not really a line for that. Or we can head over to Riviera and EPCOT Resorts, which we are actually doing that right now. Ooh, now we have a red cabin. Let's head in. One of the only reasons why I'm not a huge fan of the actual Skyliners with designs, because you don't really get that great of a view. So that's been unfortunate, but we're going to head over to Riviera now.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to EPCOT. Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean. We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
What's so cool is that over there?
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
What's so cool is that in the distance you can see EPCOT and also part of Contemporary Resort. How cool is that?
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to EPCOT, please remain on board. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos.
Now, while we're not going to get off, there is the station for Riviera. You can either choose to disembark or stay on board to head over to EPCOT, which is what we're doing right now. Alright, time to fly! Here we go!
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to EPCOT. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
Oh, looks like we may be slowing down eventually.
We are on our way to EPCOT International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app to review your worldly itinerary for the day.
Looks like there's Hollywood Studios that you can see, and then really cool going on this ride. Oh, slowing down again. I will say, I don't know what this design is. I'm not 100%.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only.
Alright, looks like we're about to fly soon. Woo! Wow. You can see Swan Dolphin in the distance, and then Boardwalk 2.
Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
On top of that, it looks like we're about to be entering an Epcot very soon. Let's scoot down here. And then what's really cool is that you can see Boardwalk.
If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to EPCOT a truly international exchange.
Also, just over in Epcot, it looks like we're about to see Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, which looks so weird on the outside, since usually you just see it from the ground, although now you see it from on top.
To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran.
And just got out of Skyliner, and it is just so amazing being back here. Oh, that is very sunny. I better put my glasses on. I really love what they do with each of the Skyliner stations. It's so well themed and fits with their respected places like Hollywood Studios, EPCOT, or even the hotels. And overall, it was such a fun flight, and I feel like the Skyliner is definitely worth doing. Even if you're not visiting EPCOT or Hollywood Studios, it's just amazing. I think now that's going to be a wrap on our adventure here. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever been on the Disney Skyliner? I would love to know. But until next time, adventurers, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.